Welcome to this tutorial video where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app. SalesNexus Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install to choose an account. Then you click on Continue, head over to Allow and Install and click on it. You're going to receive this pop-up, copy the custom menu link, head back to the account, click on Settings. Then you search for custom menu links and click on it. Head over to Create New, click on it. You insert an icon. You give a title. You paste the link right over here. You choose a sidebar preference. You give an account, or you select an account where you want to install it. And you choose a role-based visibility. Then you click on Save. Once you're done with your custom menu link, switch back to the account, search for the custom menu link. Then you're going to see this interface with all the available apps. Search for the app itself and you click on Connect. The second interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features, such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to configure and set up your app. We have the setup feature. Let's walk you through. Click on the Start Setup and insert your email and password that was given to you when you created your account online. Let's head over to the account. We copy our email and we paste. We do same for the password. Then you click on Complete Setup. There you go, your app has been successfully set up and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to get help through a ticket or with a call. We have an interesting feature which is a change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, click on subscribe to stay updated with the latest changes. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.